So I think one of the best ways to explore AFL solutions or even get answers to your questions is contacting your local application engineer. Of course, I may be a little biased because I am one, but I think we are well trained in either the products or the installation methods to help you and your project fit the unique solution that you need. And we're more than happy to even come on site, right? So of course you can give us a call, but we're more than happy to come on site and walk alongside you in your project and answer any questions that you have, whether it's solution related or product related. Brian, what do you think?
So daily we get questions over in the accessory side of the business. So somebody mentioned the AFL website. So I automatically refer everybody to the AFL website. On the AFL website, if you're technical, we have white papers and we have technical information that you can find. We have catalogs and different resources that you can use if you're looking for a drawing or a cut sheet. And something really cool that I like about the AFL website is the fact that we have videos. And our videos are linked to YouTube. So if we have a customer that's in the field, like doing a swage application, then if we don't have somebody on site, we can refer them to the actual video, and they can do a walkthrough in that video, and it'll show them from beginning to end on how to actually set up the tool and complete the actual swage application.